Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start in desktop mode on your Steam Deck. Open the system menu and switch to desktop now. This gives you the file manager and package tools immediately. Next, install or enable a Windows compatibility layer like Proton GE or Wine via Discover or your package manager, and make sure you pick a recent build for better compatibility. Once installed, add the EA App Installer EXE to Steam as a non-Steam game, and set its compatibility to the Proton GE build before the first run, and reboot. Run the EA App Installer through the Proton GE compatibility you assigned. The installer will require Visual C++ and .NET, allow it to fetch them, or pre-install runtimes via Winatrix or Bottles. During setup, pick a library folder with enough space. Steam's default prefix works, but a separate prefix isolates issues and prevents cross-app conflicts. After installation, open the EA app once to finish updates, then validate game files and check that the installer didn't leave missing DLLs. Also, enable Protontrix if needed and note the installer's log for errors. Return to gaming mode after confirming the EA app updates. Add launched EA games to your Steam library as shortcuts if needed so they appear in your overlay. Configure controller mappings and performance. Set Proton compatibility, enable VKD 3D or DXVK for DirectX translation, and pick an FPS target that balances thermals and battery. If the EA app fails to start, clear its cache, check Proton logs via the terminal, and test a different Proton GE build. Also try removing conflicting overlays or anti-cheat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.